The big issue we are trying to solve is replacing environmentally harmful materials with biodegradable products made with mycelium. My research has been going very well. I've found a lot of research on the facts we need for the product. Our biggest breakthrough was emailing the experts and them getting back to us as soon as possible. The biggest obstacle I've had is finding the type of mycelium strain to use and finding the mold. What the team will do next is meet with Mr. Casone to plan out our experiment and the mold.
Our team website is going to be built in Weebly, and it's going to contain pages like personnel pages, background pages, science pages, etc. We plan on putting up info pages for each team member and putting our progress onto the blog page. We plan on using colors that look good and good layouts to interest the viewers. Yes, we have a logo, and I put the cracks in the logo because it reminded me of my mycelium roots, and it just relates to the entire project. Our team colors are a faded red, a sky blue, and a bright purple because I thought they would look pleasing to the viewers.